We're going to take a moment here to demonstrate how to remove the front seat from one of our rental vehicles, which in this case is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. First, what we'd like to do is move the seat all the way forward on the pedestal. That way it gives you a lot of room to work. Next, we're going to remove the retractable by lifting up on the tongue, putting our thumb on the bolt and just sliding it over to move the retractable over. Then the next step is to remove the cord by unscrewing the collar and then putting it right back in the seat so you don't have to worry about it sitting on the ground. Then, as you'll notice, there's two paddles. There's a big one and one with an arrow. We're going to concentrate on the big one right now. Putting our foot on the paddle and pushing up and forward on the seat, which engages the wheels. Then what we do is we pull it back, take the wheels, roll it down the ramp into the garage or wherever you're going to put it. Then what we'll do is we'll get the retractable set up in the front position for you so you can get the person all set up. We'll remove the other retractors, and there's spots up front here that we just slide it right into. And what we do is basically when we're sliding in, we're lining these up with the holes. Just pressing down and just sliding it over. Then we'll take the back two and we'll put them in the center section. Same way. Slide it over. Then with a seat belt, we'll remove that from the back area. Put it just a bit behind the other front seat. Put it around the other one, and you're set and ready to go. Now we're going to demonstrate how to put the front seat back in the vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to put everything back into the center position that we had before. First, by taking the seat belt up, by lifting up on the black knob, like this. Then putting it back to the track in the back seat. And we always clip it up here to just get it off the floor so you're not going to trip over it. Then we'll take our retractables out, again by lifting up on here and putting your thumb on the nut. And then sliding it over. And then we'll just put it back in the track back here. Then we'll take the front two out. Again, by lifting up on the tab, thumb on the nut, sliding it over. And we'll put these off to the side for now. As for the chair, as you remember, you got the plug here and you got the two paddles. What we always do when we're moving it up into the cabin of the vehicle, we take our foot and put it on the big paddle, dip it back a little bit to give you a little bit of help getting it up the ramp. Then, again, putting your foot on that paddle, tip it up to get it over the first set of clips there. And then what we'll do is we'll slide it forward. The nose will drop down. We'll take our foot, put it on the paddle with the arrow, press that. It's going to drop down. Give it a little shake. Make sure it's locked in. Then take the plug. You'll unscrew the collar, and then you'll screw it right in the wall. And then we'll put those retractors back in the track. First one over here, and then over here. And there you go. You're all set.